Okay guys, hear me out. If you do not own or know about Bosscat Rocket Club, you seriously need to go and check out and do your own research, because everything they do shoots right up to the moon. And honestly, they have a mint going on tonight. You have to be whitelisted, but you also have a public minting session going on roughly around the 18th of February. But I'm going to explain to this video everything about this mint, what it's about, why is it important, and what I think is going to happen in the future with all. So to begin with, guys, I just want to give a massive shout out to one of the members of Bosscat Rocket Club. Here he is. His name is Catnip BCRC, or on Twitter, go to @NFTDudeForLife. Give him a follow. The guy is an absolutely amazing person. He has been so supportive of this channel. He, talks to me all the time. We get on really well, and he's helped me out with so much things, and I appreciate him so much. So Catnip, thank you so much for being awesome, and continue being you, my guy, because you are amazing. So guys, go check him out. I'm going to leave a little link down below, so go give him a follow. And while you're on his Twitter, tell him who sent you, because I think he'd appreciate it. I like him to know, and he is an awesome guy. So yeah, now let's get right into the video, guys. Okay, so what is going on? So Bosscat Rocket Club are launching their final NFT project. It's like a whole ecosystem. You've got the Bosscat Rocket Clubs, which if you want to check them out, video up here, click on that, check it out. We go in depth about the Bosscats. But you've got all kinds of things. You've got the Bosscats, you've got the rocket parts, you've got the Vox characters, you've got the land coming out, which is today. Super bullish, so many things, they all intertwine with each other, and they do have a whole website based on their metaverse they've got going on called Boss Planet. So let's just go through the website. So welcome to the Boss Planet metaverse. Immerse yourself in a digital reality where the impossible becomes possible. Build and create anything your heart desires and experience limitless opportunity in your own new virtual universe. And the first thing you'll probably notice is it does look very similar, like the graphics in terms of sandbox, because it's all voxel, it's all the same. And I will say this looks absolutely beautiful. Like for a gamer, like I'm a gamer, I love the look of this. It reminds me of kind of like Minecraft a little bit as well. But yeah, I love it. It looks amazing. So what you're going to be able to do in the universe of Boss Planet, the metaverse, you're going to be able to roam around. You can go shopping with your friends. Go to their penthouses, go to maybe their yachts. But there's also like metaverse, guys. You can do so much stuff in the metaverse. Like this will blow up. Everything Bosscat Rocket Club touch blows up, right? And if you own land and if you build on your land, this will be popular. You can have adverts on your land. You can make passive income from your land. You can build games on your land. People can come on it. It's it's bullish, guys, and I don't think people understand the reality of it all just yet. Let's go down here. So build like a boss and develop the property of your dreams. Create private residence, stores, games, concert, museums, and galleries. Your long-awaited opportunities to build a home, a business, or game you've always wanted is finally here. So like I was saying there, with like making money or not, you could have like maybe an NFT gallery where people pay tickets to come visit, or maybe there's going to be like auction houses, that type of stuff. This is stuff you can do. You might have stores in game where you can like maybe sell metaverse items to other players that you created. Maybe you can have like a store that advertises your physical store, that type of stuff. And so you can see here's their little Vox cats. They look really good. I really like them, and they look neat. And then they've also got a Boss Planet token coming out, and we're gonna click on why have they got a token, and we're gonna go in depth for that as well. Let's just go to the plan first. We're gonna talk about what the whole purpose of tonight is gonna be. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. They're gonna sell out super quick, I think. Super bullish. Right, so land. So the property size is gonna be 100 meters by 100 meters, the largest in any existing metaverse, which is huge. 129,600 parcels of land available. So there's a lot of land to give out, but I reckon it will go like sold very quickly. There's going to be different like biomes. There's going to be different zonings. There's going to be a different availability. It's going to be some with rivers, some with mountains, some with cities, beaches, all that type of stuff. There is going to be 9 districts. Boss Planet is comprised of 9 districts, each equal in size with a unique development at the center. Any landowner in Boss Planet is free to develop anything of their choosing on their own property in any of the 9 districts. The center of each district, however, will feature a specialized area of interest. So, you know, that might interest people to come over to your certain land to do, you know, whatever they want to do, and you might have something on your land that, you know, wants them to come over to yours rather than someone else's. What it sounds like to me. I could be totally wrong there. So, a district for sports, home to an epic state-of-the-art stadium, competitive golf course, basketball courts, ice rinks, and the official Boss Planet racetrack, a commercial centre of Boss Planet for all your shopping needs, a buzzing entertainment centre with cinemas, a central business district, centre with filled with luxurious villas, so basically a residential zone. The game dev centre will showcase all the latest developments in Boss Planet gaming scene. So I do like that. So you've got different sectors. So you've got one for gaming. So if you're making games, you know, a bunch of other games in that sector. You've got like a residential zone, which I guess people can like maybe rent properties there. You've got a central business district, which I assume could be like maybe be like offices where people work and whatnot. You've got commercial again, shopping, all that stuff. So it is very, very cool. They thought this out very well, and I like it. And they also are having their own Boss Planet development toolkit, so you can literally do stuff without having to learn code or anything. Obviously, it's always good to know code, but you basically be able to get in there and just make whatever you want without any hassle, with any fuss. Just get in there, be creative, have fun, and you've been able to sell the content in the Boss Planet marketplace. And like it says here, there are truly no limits to what you can create, which I think is really nice. And you might be able to make some good money by creating assets via the Boss Planet development toolkit. It's like people on Sandbox, they use theirs, and people have made millions by doing it. So it is something to look at, to learn, to get, you know, be an experienced person. So why are they having their own Boss Planet token? So there's a few reasons why, but they do explain it here. So the implementation of the Boss Planet token will allow for increased economic stability and connectivity across all properties in Boss Planet. It is crucial for the community to interact and trade within Boss Planet using a cryptocurrency that itself is dependent on the activity of the same metaverse. In doing so, the value of all assets traded with Boss Planet will be further strengthened and effectively become less susceptible to the turbulent activity on other currencies and tokens. So that's neat. I like it. Their own token, so they can literally do everything they want. It's a whole ecosystem, like I said, guys. They've got land, NFTs, they've got token, they've got it all together. They're building a massive long-term project here, and they need it all to build upon and expand the project. And I do really like it. It's very bullish. And if you go over to the Boss Cat Rocket Club right now, on jpog.store, the floor price is only 2,449, so that is quite a big chunk of money, but it's still early. I think in the next couple of months this project could be a 10,000 Cardano floor, maybe even a 50,000, and so on. Like, if you have a rarity rank top 1,000 Boss Cat right now, they are selling for like 15 to 16,000 Cardano, last I checked. And the rocket prices, you don't even want to know what the rocket prices are. Let's actually dive right into the rocket prices right now. So here, guys, you can see just for one part, this is not even a fully assembled ship, just for one part, it'll cost you 5,490 Cardano. And if we go onto the activity here, we'll probably be able to see a few fully assembled ones sell. So you've got a signature one here, which, if by the way, if you don't know what that is, so let's go and click on it and we'll have a little nosy. You can see it's got a little signature in the top right. This is a Tomcat signature, and then there's a few with Blue Magic signature. There's only a few of them, which obviously makes the value of the certain NFT go up. But this certain one here sold for 25,000 Cardano, which is absolutely insane. And there's a few here who probably sold for even more. So we've got a few 25Ks, 23Ks. And now if we go to their Discord and check out like what the news is, what the announcements have been recently, Blue Magic posted something which piqued my interest. Look, it made my eyes go, and they have been giving out like 9 gaming licenses, to one in each district, to a number of big casino partners, right? And people, I don't think people have actually realized this as well. That's going to be massive passive income, right? Casinos make millions a year, if not billions a year, and 50% of this tax will be given back to Boss Cat rockets and land owners. And he also mentioned something here which I quite liked. This is very much like the country of Macau. Their citizens pay no tax, have free education all the way through to graduating from university, as well as a free full medical care. And then they gave out different like licenses to different like companies and whatnot, which they collected tax which goes towards their like own citizens, which I thought was very nice, very cool. I might have to move to Macau after that, not gonna lie. So if you're a landowner, you'll never have to need to pay taxes of any kind, and instead all the holders will only receive profit in the form of a tax dividend from our casino partners. And I just, guys, it's bullish. It really is bullish. just please check it out. If you do have the adder sitting on the line and you're thinking, yo, I've got 10,000 Cardano right now, what should I do? Seriously do your research for Bosscat Rocket Club right now, because it is seriously bullish. So that's it for today, guys. That's a quick update about Bosscat and what is going on. I seriously recommend checking out and doing your own research. And before we end the video, guys, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below why you are bullish on Bosscat Rocket Club and if you do own one. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.